thank you all to participate here. So I'm very happy because this presentation, you know that if more than three people are there in the Zoom, we can only conduct 40 minutes. This is the reason 40 minutes I will be explaining you. In the end of the session, we can have like a 10 minutes interaction so that if you have any concerns, your question and answers regarding this topic, I can explain you people. Apart from that, yani you wanna learn as I spoke any earlier interaction. So you want like to you need some topic to be explain me, or we can. It's not like don't think that it is an explanation platform. Here is an interaction. What I know, my knowledge I can share. What you have, you can share, so that we can build our knowledge and expertise. Because when I feel that why I started these two reasons. First of all, when I was in like when I was my engineering completed, I don't know what is electrical engineering. I mean, I know the only education apart from what is the industry where we have a jobs, where I can look jobs. Nothing. I have any idea. So once I look ahead and I'm studying and I'm looking at Google and searching, I found that there is a very lack of like support or explanation or guidance is missing throughout the throughout many people. So this is the reason. Apart from that, most of the people including me asking me that how we can search a jobs, and as well as what is the industry. So this is the reason I'm explaining you this topic. Okay, thanks bearing with me. If my English little poor, sorry for that, please bear with me. Okay. So today, as I say that I will be speaking roles and responsibility of electrical engineer. So we have to be know this is only roles and responsibility regarding the construction industry only. I'm not speaking entirely because I'm like a little bit have experience in construction sector, so I can explain you in the construction sector only. And second thing, as I say that I would like to like you guys to share the knowledge local regulation DUI-IDDC. So DUI-IDDC, I will be explain this in next session because if time permit I can do that. But you know that this topic is only for the basic engineers who are anticipate to enter like construction industry. So now let us speak what is the region and key terminology here. We basically located we call this region as a MENA region. What is a MENA region? MENA region, Middle East and North Africa. This region, especially Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, as well as Egypt, some northern part of Africa. So I'm only located in UAE. I can speak you people like you. What is the UAE? UAE is a country. It's like a united. It's called as United Arab Emirates. It have a 7 emirates. The capital city is Abu Dhabi. Here, three major cities are there: Abu Dhabi and Dubai and Sharjah. These are the main regions. So here, construction is a vital role playing. And apart from that, these three regions, we have a Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman, Fujairah, Al Quwain. They are the four other emirates. Here also construction is there, but little lesser compared to three this one. Second, I would like to tell you that what is the construction industry, okay, and who is a client, consultant, main contractor, and subcontractor supplier. We have to be know this key terminology because as we are started as from the basics. So let us see what is the construction industry is. So basically, we are constructing like a villas or malls or high-rise buildings. All these all these electrical engineer are required. So like we have here like we can segregate it like four types: residential projects and commercial projects, hospital projects, and special projects. If you go to the residential projects, we have like villas, high-rise buildings; commercial projects, office buildings, hotels, shopping malls; hospital buildings, hospitals; special projects like museums, parks. These are the four major like developments, we can say. These are the things. These are the basically UAE construction industries focus. Next, we can come to know that client. Who's a client? If I like to build a house, I would like to build a house. So I'm the owner. I can call as a client. This is the owner as a call as a client, and then we are consultant. Then I consultant basically he designed the project. He designed the concept and showed to the client. Example, I can say that we want to construct a building. So I want to go to the consultant asking him that please I like a 3 floor a building and I need like each floor, one floor for me like office space, another floor for me like my family, like a spacious bedroom, and these are the requirements from him. Based upon inputs from the client, consultant he will design a design the drawings and show him. If he is agree with the client, so client says that okay, go ahead. Then it will be float on the tender stage. In the tender means it's nothing like we call the people for construct who is will be the lowest cost as well as his capabilities he can do the work. So it will be go to the it will go to the bid. Who will be the bid? He who will be got the project. He is called as a main contractor. We this is the main contractor. Then main contractor have subcontractors. Basically main contractor is civil people, and MEP is you all people know mechanical, electrical, plumbing. This one is internal like main essential thing. Have a MEP subcontractor, and civil also have a many different subcontractor, like a steel fixtures is different subcontractor, door is different contractor, plaster works, like we can say that who will the win the project, he's called a main contractor. He will assign other guys to help him to complete the project. He is the subcontractors. Next, so now we can speak that okay, if we are like from we guys from few people are from India, we think that what is what are the okay, what is the building, in the building what we have, we think that very small load we are thinking inside lights and fans and only these are the systems. No, we have a major systems inside the building, especially this. If you I'm saying the power for each thing. We have power, light, fire alarm, emergency. These are the services. I'm listed few only. Like I explain you, power means we have here HVAC load is more. AC and air conditioning load is here. Like UAE is a hot country, temperature rises more than 50 degrees and humidity like 90% humidity over there. So few cases 100 and more too. Uh, Due to this one, we need the air condition here. So everywhere you have air condition. AC load is a measure so that you have here bigger chillers, and if like for this one we have we have a power load means you have mechanical load in that HVAC load, and water supply or plumbing services for motors are there. For this one we have a huge load. That's why here the systems are classified as power. You need some for these services you need power as well. Light systems, you have a lights, different type of lights, how you will be arranged these lights. This is a system inside the building. Fire alarm system is there. This is the fire alarm emergency we call as a life safety systems. But this is required if you have a building, you will got a fire or something happen in this situation. At that time, what you need to do that you need evacuate and you have to be indicated. So these are the systems, and you need structure cable or telephone system. Now you people all that. For you need internet access. For this one you have a system, CCTV, access control, and earthing system, Wi-Fi system. Many systems are there. I can list out like if you have a like 30 to 40 system. If you go hospital, different systems are the nurse calling system is there. If you go the hotel, you have like what we can say, hotels also you have. I'm not recollecting all together, but more than I can list out you 40 major items are inside the building. It is like, you can say, to building construction, it is a major loads are available. Okay, major system, like nowadays human is like interacting with artificial intelligence. If you can look at the topic also. So I mean, easy to access the each people. So coming to, so next we can I'm diverting a little bit, I'm sorry for that. Let's stick on this topic. Second thing is the key elements during construction. What are the key elements required while we do the construction? So we need drawings, we need specifications, we need material, we need manpower. We'll speak in detail what are the types of drawings. We can say drawings only, drawings, you know that if to draw something, how you want to construct a building, we all engineers, we know the drawings, what is the meaning. So we have a design drawings. Design drawing means, as I say earlier picture, client approaches to the consultant, asks to design something. He says something, as I say, I need a 4 bedroom, one apartment. Okay, 4 bedroom, one flat have to be constructed. So design design he will be design the concept, and he show to the client. These drawings are design drawings. What is the tender drawing? If after design drawings, client say, I need this change, I don't want this light should be, I need more light in this room, I need more sockets in this room, I need this DB to here and located. These changes, all those changes will be carried out, and it goes to the tender stage. So these drawings are tender drawings. After tender drawings, IFC is issued for construction drawings. In these drawings, what their basically tender time, the contractor can raise many queries. So this design cannot be implemented. We can change the like cable sizes, DB ratings we can change, because due to calculation, some design stage we will keep the more rating. So he can some concerns based upon the tender queries. Again, drawing can be changed. These drawings called IFC drawings. After IFC drawings, we have these drawings are going to the site for construction. Okay, these drawings are going to the site for construction. So the contractor, what he will do, according to he will be take the dimensions, he will assign the circuit according to the site conditions. Oh, site condition, based upon that site condition, shop he will do the drawings. These called the shop drawings. Once shop drawing is constructed on site, there will be some changes again. So those changes he will be implemented on shop drawing. Those drawings called the as-built drawings. The as-built drawing is the final drawing. This is the types of drawings. So specifications, you know that a specification refers set of documented requirements to be satisfied with material, design, product, or services. Okay, so if a light fixture there, so what basically specification called, if you have a light fixture, so what type of light, what is the wattage of the light, what is the lamp color, how many lux required, all these details, how you will be installed, it will be installed surface mounted or flush mounted or hanging, everything can be explained in the specification. I'm next, construction phases. Mostly here I want to like to highlight these topics. Most of the, what are the construction phases? Any project, if you like, we have like a majorly 3 construction phases: first fix, second fix, final fix. These are the 3 major construction phases. In the first fix, we can do the containment works, and second fix we can do the wiring and DB installations, these things into the second fix. And final fix we can install finished products like lights, sockets, whatnot, any all the final fix we can install. I will be explaining you detailed by the drawing. So see, let us, this is one area. These are the villas. If you see my pointer, see this is the, you see this one, this is the villa, these are all the villas. Okay, for these villas you have a load. For load means you need a substation. This is the substation for this area. A substation have a transformer. From this transformer it will go to the feeder pillars, feeder pillar to the villa. Let us go to the next slide. Okay, so if you any process these 7 steps, you can know any project, you can do that. What is the load? You will find out the load. What light, power, what is the wattage? Based upon the load, you can calculate it breaker sizes and cable sizes. Based upon these inputs, you will design a DB enclosure. So how many breakers inside DB? Once breakers, you know what is the isolator rating. This can be do. After that, based upon DBs, SMDBs we can design. SMDB, MDB to transformer. This is only electrical engineer, basically load to transformer. This, you know, these 7 steps, you can complete your project. Next, again I tell you this process I will be explaining you in detail. Let us consider, I show that villa. So this is the foundation. What we do initially, we will be this is my land. Okay, this is my land. In this land we have to be know our work, we need to know the civil works too. When we do the foundations, this is foundation or plinth I will do. Once foundation is completed, I will started my columns. I draw a little bit bigger. Only plinth columns will be draw. Once plinth columns is completed, then tie beam works are carried out. In this stage, as I show you the picture here, if you notify, for any villa you want, if consider what are the services coming from outside. For this villa you need a power, you need a telephone system, I mean fiber optic cable you need, and you need a drainage services, you need water supply services. Villa we need, in any project we need these services. Power we need, telephone we need, water service and drainage service. These are the essential things. So again, go back to the services. At the time of tie beam time, you have to be inserted sleeves initial time. What are the service enter from the enter into the villas or any project. So you have to do this, your underground services, underground containment you have to be completed. Once this underground completed, you have these columns you have any services, you have to do your column services. Once this done, next part is slab area. Slab area slab area we can do the containment box. You need fix light or power sockets or whatnot, Wi-Fi services, all the boxes and conduits we can fix on the slab works. Once slab works are completed, then we will construct walls. We will be all what are the service inside the wall, we will be do it. Then if you see the next slide for me, example wall, I need install DB, I want to install the isolator switches according to these dimensions. I will install all these services inside the what we call walls. Okay, next thing is that second fix and final fixes. Second fix, we have wiring, panel installations, this will be carried out, and final fixtures, light fixtures, power socket installation, and then later testing information. Uh, See, this is the sequence of how it will work, sequence of works. First, we will do the underground floor services. What are the services underground floor service? Once this done, column services we do. Then box pipes installation in slab areas, then wall containment, then exposed containment. What are the required if anything? Then wire pulling, DB dressings, final fixture installation, testing commission. That's it. These are the electrical construction sequence of work. If you go any services, follow this procedure, you will be do any job easily. This is what I put in detail. First fix, what we have: embedded conduits in concrete, marking in block walls, cutting, chasing in block walls, then fixed conduits. This is the first fix. Second fix, as I say, see, GAP, PVC surface conduiting, distribution boards installation, submain works, cable trunking, all this. I'll give you this presentation. LV cabling, ELV cabling, main cable termination, wiring, ceiling rows installation, bus bar installation, all these elements come onto the second fix. Final final fix, we have fire alarm devices, switch socket installation, all accessories we will fix. Then testing and commission, handing over, finish the project. So basically for this one we need material, as we need material and drawings. We need this. If you have these two, and resources, for sure money. Material you procure, then you will fix the electrical first fix installation. Drawing, once drawing approved from the consultant, these two elements you can do the first fix. After the first fix installation, you need to submit your drawings to authority. If authority approval, here we say ADDC or DEVA, these are the authorities, we can submit those drawings. If these drawings are approved, you go for second fix. If second fix, your second fix will be your second fix installation, then LV cable testing. Once testing will be carried out, then final fix installation. Meanwhile, authority will be give the transformers, they will install, they will do the testing, then power, permanent power on, authority inspections, electrical final fix. This is the sequence. Basically these are the construction. So based upon that, what is my first point conclusion is summary of electrical engineering roles and responsibilities. What is the summary? You have to prepare your shop drawings based upon IFC drawings and getting approvals from consultant. Preparation of material submittal, getting approvals. Then requesting materials and ordering. You have to procure your material from your office, then implement your shop drawing on site, supervise your manpower and ensure good quality of work carried on site. So once you implement your drawing, you need to supervise your people how they have to be do this one. Then responsible for consultant work approvals, means once you do the work, it is not finished, you have to go to the consultant, get the approval, then only you will get your payment certificates. You will submit, you will prepare how much work carried out. According to that, you will be fill your payment certificate. Based upon that, you will get the money. Then after finishing, you take the authority approval for final power on, then handing over. This is the basic electrical engineer roles and responsibilities. For if you go any area, any sector, these are the steps. These 8 steps, if you familiarize, any interview they will ask how you want to do your work. All these 8 items, if you know, halas, you can easily answer each and every question. Hopefully